create your first Hello World app in SwiftUI. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Are you ready to create your first app in SwiftUI? In this video, we'll walk you through building a simple Hello World project step by step. Let's dive in. First, open Xcode. If you don't have it installed, head over to the App Store and download it. It's free. Once Xcode is open, click on Create a new Xcode project. Select the app template under iOS and click Next. Now give your project a name. Let's call it Hello World. Make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is Swift. Leave the other options as default and click Next. Choose a location to save your project and click Create. Xcode will now generate a basic SwiftUI project for you. Here's what your new project looks like. By default, Xcode creates a ContentView file with some sample code. This is where we'll display our Hello World message. The ContentView file contains a struct that conforms to the view protocol. This is the core of your SwiftUI app's user interface. Now, let's display Hello World on the screen. Look for the line of code that says text Hello World. This is what creates the text you see in the preview. You can customize this text. Let's change it to say Hello SwiftUI. Simply edit the text inside the parentheses and the preview updates instantly. Let's make the text more appealing. Add modifiers to style it. For example, we can use font large title to increase the font size and foreground color blue to change its color. Text Hello SwiftUI. Font large title. Run again and see the output. See how easy it is to create a stunning UI with just a few lines of code. Now add text color by adding foreground color blue. Run again and see the output. Now it's time to test our app. Click the Run button in the toolbar or press CMD+R. This will build and run your app in the iPhone simulator. And there you have it, your first SwiftUI app running successfully. It's that simple to get started. Congratulations. You've just created your first SwiftUI app. This is just the beginning of your journey into iOS development. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more SwiftUI tutorials. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more coding tutorials.